Hi friends, this is Parmesh Malgund, HR professional, mentor and tutor. Welcome to Parmesh Malgund channel. Basically, I'm teaching English grammar, spoken English and motivational talk in three languages, that is in English, Hindi and in Kannada language. So whichever the language you are very much interested, you can choose any one language and you can watch video. Those are not subscribed, please you can subscribe. Friends, today's topic is how to study and how to become topper. Friends, from first standard to till highest qualification, whatever it may be, okay, PhD or MPhil, whatever. So students will study for getting marks, for getting job, but the thing is, whatever they are expecting, they will not get in terms of marks, in terms of job. Okay, why? What is the problem? What is the reason? What we are doing here is we study according to our own method, according to our own strategy, according to our own convenient. So the result also comes however we studied like that only. If we had studied properly in a plan way, the result could have come in a good result. Okay, we didn't study, so that is the reason we have to study properly in a planned way. Okay, let us understand how to study, how to plan. Those are the main strategies. In this world, many students and they study for clearing the exams. Some students they study for getting jobs. Okay, here what we are doing mistake I will tell you. Suppose 24 hours in a day, 24 hours are there. Okay, so what we do here is out of 24 hours, even we will not study more than 4 hours without planning, without timetable. Okay, whatever job you want you can choose, no problem. Whatever exam you want you can choose, you will clear the exam from first standard to whatever highest degree in this world. Okay, so without planning, if you are studying, maximum you can study 3 to 4 hours in a day. That's it. Even you will not study even 2 hours also. So we can make timetable with plan way, because many students from first standard to up to 12th standard, students doesn't know how to plan timing, how to utilize the timing, because they don't know the value of timing. That is the reason they will not make plan, just they study whenever they are interested. That's it. If you are making a timetable for study for entire 24 hours, how should you can utilize? Okay, out of 24 hours, if you are utilizing with the timetable for study, you can study from minimum 6 to 12 hours if you are planning properly. I'll tell you how. Suppose example, you wake up at 5 o'clock, get fresh. Okay, make timetable from 5 to up to what time. Okay, sleep minimum 5 to 6 hours. That's more than enough for sleep for while studying. Suppose if you are a student, that 5 to 6 hours are very good for health. That's it, minimum. Okay, maximum if you want you can sleep, I'm not telling, but minimum 5 to 6 hours you have to sleep compulsory. So if you are getting if you are get up at 5 o'clock, make a plan from 5 o'clock onwards. Make half an hour one slot, or 45 minutes one slot, or 1 hour one slot. Okay, if you are starting for study, sit according to the timetable. Okay, if you are waking up at 5 o'clock, get fresh and do exercise first. Main is health. If you are fit, you are mentally physically you are fit, then only whatever you are doing everything you will gain. Or else if you are doing something, you will not get interest only to read if you are not remember also. So first health is very important. Take care of for first health. Once you get up, get fresh, do exercise, then you have something or whatever it may be, then you start your study. Okay, so make 30 minutes or 45 minutes or 1 hour one on uh, slots, okay, for study. After that, after 30 minutes or after 40 minutes, you can take a break, 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Okay. Suppose if you are studying regularly three slots, 45 minutes or for 1 hour slot or 30 minutes slot, three times, you can take a long break, like 1 hour break. So like that, you can make a plan for having food, for studying, for playing, everything. You don't study only, don't play only, and don't roam here and there only. Do everything. Study properly, play properly, have food properly, be fit for physically everything. Then only you will be become perfect. See, so many people will tell, okay, I attended the exam. Okay, they will take, suppose if the job openings are 100, so they will take only 100 people, those are very topper. I don't understand. At least if you are not getting a job also, no problem, but at least you can compete for getting marks. Your marks should be in a top, near to the top, like that. Always you can focus for 100 percentage. Okay, let it become whatever, but don't think I will fail. Don't think, don't attend any interview, don't study for any exam, I will fail, like that. Think positively, yes, 100% I will clear this exam, for that only I am studying. Then you will be having confidence, courage, then you will automatically, whatever you are studying, you will understand. And don't sit for forcefully for studying, because what happens if you are sitting forcefully, you will not understand, you will not get interest only. And those who are first, those who are studying like from first standard to 12th standard, they will be not knowing anything how to make a plan. Please, I am requesting those, the parents should tell to the their children how to study, how to make a plan. Because if you are making a timetable in home, then only you will sit and study. If you are not having timetable, 100% I'm telling you, you will not sit, you will not study. And while studying, you can go separate room for study room, and you can sit there, you can study. Don't sit in hall while watching TV. See, if family members are watching TV, if you are sitting nearby them, so you will get disturbed, you will not understand what you are studying. So this is the things are there. So whatever you are doing, you do properly with timetable. I'm telling you, let it be your your exams, study exams, or your for getting jobs, whatever it be, whatever exams, okay, for your syllabus exams or your curriculum study exams, or your for job exams, whatever it may be, you study properly with timetable. 100% I'm telling you, you will be getting a time more than 6 to 12 hours for studying. And why I'm telling with timetable, you will be getting a lot of time. You can revise. How many times you are revising, do like that, you will remember properly. If you are remembering, if you are studying one time, you will not remember, you will forget. Suppose example I will tell you, suppose 10 friends, they will meet suddenly one day. One friend was introducing all friends to you at a time, okay, Harish, Nagaraj, Satish, like that, 10 people. So if he is telling all people's names suddenly, you will not remember all people's name in a one day. So like that, if all people are meeting every day, day by day, within 5 to 7 days, 100% you will be remembering all people's name without forgetting. So like that only, same thing, revision is very very important. For if you want to revise, you should make a timetable. You will get lot of time. If you don't make a timetable, you will not get a time for revising. So friends, please study properly, and with make a timetable, you will get a lot of time. You can follow the timetable, focus for study, focus for your health, keep fit your body with exercise and yoga and meditation. Study properly, have food properly, different food, and you can play also properly, whatever games you want. You can give the time, you can make a plan. You have to complete entire routine life. You can spend time with family, you can spend time with friends, relatives, everything. 100% I'm telling you, student life will become golden life. So thank you so much friends for watching this video. If you like this video, you can like it, share it, and subscribe, and I will see you in next video. Until then, take care, goodbye.